Hey guys, Nick here. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to create a bar chart. We're going to try to put together something just like this over here to help us take a look at the data that we have over here. So let me move this guy out of the way real quick. This will be our guide or our reference, and we'll get right into it. How are we going to put this together? So first, this bar chart's exploring the relationship between the pay per department. So you have the department on the x-axis and the pay on the y-axis. So really all we have to do to get this going is highlight both columns where we have the data we want to chart, and after we have them both highlighted, go to your Excel ribbon, click on the Insert tab, then you move over to the Chart section, and if you look over here when you hover, this first little block says Insert Column or Bar Chart. This is what we're going to be working with. If you click on the little down arrow, you can hover over all these options and it'll give you the different ways you can set up these bar charts. But we're going to keep it simple in this example, and we're just going to go with the clustered column at the top left. Click on that and then you get your bar chart. So now this is what the output looks like off the bat, but we're going to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer, easier to read, right? First things first, I like to add an outline to my charts in general, just so it's easy to distinguish where the chart's located. So to do that, click onto the chart, then you right click on the chart, and then you go to this outline button over here, and you can choose the color of the border or the outline. So I'm just going to go with, let's just go with the black, just to have a nice crisp border on there. So after we got that on, or that taken care of, we can click into the chart title section here, and this is where we can rename or add a title to the chart, right? So we're going to say this is pay by department, and once you've typed in here, and you can format this, right? So you can change the font size, make it a bit bigger, you can make it bold, you can underline, you can even change the font color if you'd like. But we're going to keep it with the standard black with a nice bold and a 16-point font. You can also make adjustments, right? So you see how that little toggle or this little screen disappeared? You can, as long as you have it highlighted, you can also adjust from the Home tab in your Excel ribbon. So after we set up the chart title, I also want to format the labels a little bit. When you format the labels, you click onto one of the labels and make sure that they're all highlighted, and then you can right click, and now you can change the font, mess with the font a little bit. You can even use the ribbon up top to format. So I'm just going to work from the ribbon, the Home tab, hit B for bold, and I want to increase the font to 10. So see how the labels are now at a 45-degree angle. I'm not a huge fan of that, so I'm just going to make this chart a little bit bigger. So it gives space for the labels to revert to that horizontal placement. So now I'm just going to format the axis a little bit, make it a size 10 as well, bold it, doing this all from the Home tab in the ribbon, and we're almost there. So now if I want to add a label, all I've got to do is click on one of the bars. I have to make sure when I click on the bar that all the other bars are highlighted as well, right? If I click one too many times, then only one bar is going to be highlighted. So only one label will be added in. So what you have to do when you're in this case is click off of the chart and then click back once more onto the bar so they're all highlighted, and then right click on that bar, and then you go down here to this Add Data Labels section. You go to this little arrow, select Add Data Labels, and there you are. Your data labels are ready to go, and that's your bar chart. So if you have any questions or anything's unclear, just leave something in the comment. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And like always, share this with your friends that are picking up Excel as well, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.